Hello kids. Topic for today is seasons. 4 seasons: summer, winter, autumn and spring. Summer. Summer is the hottest season of the year. The days are long and hot. We wear cotton clothes in summer season, like short and t-shirt. Winter. Winter is the coldest season of the year. The days are shorter and nights longer. In the winter, we wear woolen clothes like coat, jackets, gloves and socks. Autumn. During autumn season, leaves of trees turn yellow or brown and fall from the trees. Spring. Weather is generally warm and sunny. Plants and trees start to grow. Fall seasons: summer, winter, autumn and spring. Hope you will enjoy this educational video. Please share and subscribe our channel.